In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Coinbase API key in the newest Coinbase API tutorial. We'll guide you through the process, ensuring every step is clear and concise so you can easily integrate Coinbase API into your applications. First, open your preferred web browser and head to coinbase.com. Once there, log into your Coinbase account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Logging in brings you to your main dashboard where you can view your portfolio and recent transactions. In the top right corner of the page, you'll notice your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options listed, head to Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see several tabs, each serving a different purpose, but today our focus is the API tab. Select this tab to proceed. You're now in the section designated for API management within Coinbase. To get started with your new API key, look for the Create API Key button and click on it. This action initiates the process of setting up a new key. Next, you'll be prompted to give your API key a nickname. This is particularly useful for keeping track of keys if you plan to have more than one, or if you want clarity on what this particular key is used for. Use something meaningful and easy to recognize. Following this, you'll need to decide which of your wallets or accounts you want this key to have access to. Whether it's your Bitcoin wallet, Ethereum wallet, or another, ensure you make selections that align with your needs. Once you've chosen your wallets, it's time to set permissions. Depending on your requirements, you can allow the API key to view account information, execute trades, or even transfer funds. Remember to choose carefully based on what you're comfortable with the API doing. More permissions can mean greater functionality but also carries risks, so think this through. For an added layer of security, consider adding IP address restrictions. While this step is optional, it's highly recommended, especially if you want to control which devices can access your API key. By whitelisting specific IP addresses, you're ensuring that only certain devices can use the API, adding a crucial security layer against unauthorized access. Once everything is set to your satisfaction, go ahead and tap Create and Download. You'll then need to complete a two-factor authentication verification. This extra security step is standard across many platforms to ensure that it's really you making these changes. Finally, once your API key is generated, you'll see the API and secret keys. Be sure to copy and save them securely, perhaps in a password manager, as these keys won't be shown again once you leave this screen. By following these steps, you now have successfully created and secured your Coinbase API key. Use it wisely and ensure your details are protected. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.